If you can't see it, you cannot achieve it. Write down your goals. Always. No matter how small, how big your goals are, write them down so that you can be able to track them, see when they're actually being actualized. But if you don't have a vision in your heart, you can't achieve anything. This is why anytime you wake up with such a big dream, write it down immediately. If there's anywhere you want to travel to or you want to talk to someone and you're like a little bit shaky about it, write it down. Just write it down. There's this mystery about writing down goals that has shocked me to my bone, and I will share with you a story. So there's this time in my life that I was really broke. You want to know how broke I was? This period I will go to my dirty clothes and go and be searching the pocket if I will see one money that I left there or I forgot in my pocket, just to be able to survive for that day. And many times my pocket used to come through for me. I used to find money inside. I digress. The point is this: every time that happened to me, I sit down, pick up a book, pen, and I begin to write things I want to see in my life, places I want to go. Know me very well. I am always writing down my thoughts. Not just my thoughts, my dreams and my aspirations, my desires. I'm writing them down. I mean, it's free. Write them as though you have already achieved it. I now have this. I have done this. Even if you have not gone there, say I traveled to Dubai and it was a wonderful experience. Everything has a vibration. The success you're looking for is a frequency that if you vibrate on that same frequency, you will attract the success. It's simple as that. And the easiest way to vibrate on this kind of frequencies is actually to feel what you want to feel. That thing you're hoping for as success, that thing you're hoping for as your desire and your aspiration, begin to feel it. You begin to feel and see yourself in a plane traveling. Feel it, touch it, experience that moment. Once you can experience and feel it, your mind will make that connection. How they will do it, I will never know, but the universe will make that connection. It's just a matter of time. That thing will happen in your life. In my own case, it was a car and it was a lot of travels and stuff. And I wrote down that I want to have a car, and I was very specific. You can't be vague by saying I need a car. The universe will not even budge. But the truth is, once you can say specifically what you want, I want a Lexus ES350 white 2009 edition. So much respect and love for that car. It happened less than a year, exactly the way I said it. In detail, it works. The thing is, you will become what you think about all the time. Let me repeat that. You will become what you think about all the time. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Your mind is extremely powerful, a playground that is so rich that whatever you create in the mind can be delivered to you physically. I want to go to Grand Canyon. I just want to see what's going on there with all of those discoveries that they're having there. These are my desires now. These are the things I want to see: the world, the ancient secrets, people that have lived here long before we came, all the hints they left behind. I want to see for my own self. So this is why I came to share it with you. Dreams, and write them like you are already living it.